Was that wrong?
Kent State.
It's almost the right colors too. Ikea is almost the right color.
I mean, guys, I had too much slushy.
I don't know.
Do I need a is this too small? Is this what I'm...
I don't know, man.
You get 2 small ones.
What do you need?
No, it
doesn't fit on your
it's
head.
too small to wear as a hat, bro. What's even
Claire's
the point?
had too much sugar.
What do you mean? I'm fine.
She had coffee this morning and then sugar this afternoon. Wait, it's not even. No, it's after.
I'm perfectly fine. You had too much sugar.
Oh, okay.
We had chocolate cake before noon.
Yeah. And I
Chocolate cake. Christina's just a smart one over here with all the
scissors.
She just had the chocolate cake, not the
Yeah.
chocolate cake and the slushy.
I brought safety scissors for our room.
I mean,
They're not safety scissors, but they're small.
Oh,
Look. This one. The magnet wall. The magnet wall is the best one.
Your face is a magnet.
No,
your face. Dish it. I'm gonna wait. Claire, get out of the way. So
I'm
I
a
can open it.
dishwasher. Guys, what is it?
It's a dishwasher.
I'm a dishwasher. Whoa.
Why am I doing? I do am a dishwasher. I'm gonna open it. Unboxing video.
Yes.
What?
Open
I
me.
know. I think I drank too many slushies because my ear is ringing now. Like there's ringing in my ear. Can somebody explain to me what's happening right now? Like I genuinely, Christina.
This is opens
Do you?
to a double bed, but where's the double bed?
I mean, 2 people could fit in there.
Do you?
Oh, I see. Actually, no. You can have 1 child.
I get it. I
2
get it.
child.
I get it.
I get it. Child.
I get it.
4 child. 5 child. 6 child. It's a 6 child bed. Bro.
Yes.
I love children. I want to be a teacher. So don't.
You can
don't
sit
sue
in
me.
here, but then you
Future
fall
school.
through and die.
Same.
Claire, we can get this bed and hide our dead bodies.
Shut up.
Christina, not while we're filming. They are.
Wait, no, it's like that vine that's like.
Yeah, Claire, we're gonna get lost.
That's like the middle of the room. That just feels wrong.
No, it's like that vine. That's like I'm everything except I'm like I'm a wolf. Wait,
On every level
oh.
except for physical,
I'm
I'm
a wolf. But like I'm a trash can.
And then it just
That's
goes
like
like
every level is physical.
on
And
the
then you just like
level,
crumple up because you're like a garbage can. You know? ASMR.
Oh my god. There's even refills.
She's coming out of the closet.
I finally decided to come out of the closet, guys. Help me up.
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit.
These are 49 cents.
Is there a kid near here? Are there kids?
My mom's gonna be mad if I bring one home, but
Oh,
like, I
just
wanna.
bring it home.
It's me.
These are $2.99, guys. Guys,
No.
so soft.
This one's me. I love
Guys,
sports.
can we all get matching lions, guys?
Claire,
Oh, those are cute.
this is me.
Guys, can we all get matching lions?
This is what I actually look
I'm
like.
getting $10 worth
Can we get matching lions?
Jesus Christ.
of. No, that one's from
Guys,
Olivia.
Maybe.
I'm getting myself a panda and a dog.
I
I have the big version of this dog, and I want the baby.
I don't have any stuffed animals.
Yo,
There's so many.
How fucking big he is. Bro. Oh my god.
Guys, hug the
Yes.
elephant. The elephant's the best.
Totally get that.
She's a snake.
You could get a baby lion.
I know. I look like one.
Jonesy, get a baby lion.
How we all get big lions? Can we all get tiny lions, guys, please? That'd be so cute.
Why must the tiger?
I want the shark so bad, but like I just.
You want the tiger?
She's living her best life.
Oh my god. I came to Ikea for.
$20. He's on top of that.
What if I got a snake?
Get the snake.
YouTube channel.
It could be like instead of Spot the Hidden Pineapple from Psyche, it could be Spot the Hidden
Claire, you guys
Lion.
need those bowls for your dog.
Everybody do the lions roar. Everybody do the lions roar. Lions roar.
Hello.
Are you in the circus?
That's where I belong.
Losing them. And we lost them.
Fancy seeing you here.
Guys,
There's a cabbage in there.
Olivia's gonna make us a cabbage smoothie.
I know, I clicked the milkshake button, but nothing's happening, so I'm sad.
Olivia, you broke it.
I really wanted a cabbage milkshake.
Guys, we need to add some whey proteins
Whey protein?
to our fancy
How
cabbage
about display sample R77? That's my favorite food.
Oh, this is a big elevator.
This is a thick elevator,
You
guys.
just press the button. Wait, I'm so confused, guys. What's happening? Don't worry, I hate myself too. Yeah. Oh my god, guys. Okay, now we.
Guys, ready?
Yeah, okay. Ah, yes, Ikea. We're here.
More stuffed animals.
Guys, I really want one.
You can actually use these.
Oh crap, it actually works. No, I was just gonna type on there. Okay. My code is. Wait, I can't spell. Gamer.
Spelling's good for you.
Wait, I need to add something else. There's a rainbow mat, sort of.
It's not rainbow enough.
You should get the one that looks like grass. Wow,
It's
you're so
not gay
particular.
enough.
You should get the one that looks like grass. It's
not gay enough.
Look at those beautiful birds. We stand. Oh my gosh, we also stand Christina.
Olivia, you should get this rug for your mom.
I don't have $800. Neither does she.
It's
Holy crap.
there's no reason for it to be $100.
It's bigger than our dorm
$800.
room.
That's $800?
Yeah, look at the tag.
It's actually bigger than our dorm. What is this? It's like a bin, but it's like.
Bro, what?
Ooh,
It's not that. I mean, it's
this
pretty,
one
but
is
like.
90. This is 90. Yes, Josie, get it.
But I don't think I need the roommates are squabbling.
We're already gonna get in a fist fight.
Okay, the thing is, I don't need it, so I'm gonna say no to that today.
Okay. Put it on like your wish list or something.
I wasn't able to like film your fist, so you just, I just like went out of the frame and your heads were moving around.
All right, Christina, take two.
Yeah, there you go. There you
Other than
go.
that,
Wow,
the thing is I just
pro
got
wrestlers over here.
Actually, won't be that bad.
We're gonna get copyrighted.
Is this like a notepad, but like it also has spots for your pencils and nice.
That's pretty edgy, man.
Those are just school colors.
Oh my gosh.
School spirit.
This is heavy.
We stand KSU.
Are you thirsty?
Which is like,
No. I think I'm good, thanks.
Okay.
Ooh, Claire, we're coming.